gonna go like this. Now this has been modified before, so it'll be easier to take out without using my heat gun again. So we're gonna be adding some TRS LED. The LED new released high beam lights. I've already had it in the other headlight, but now what I'm gonna do is just change it up a little bit, you know. I figure LED lasts longer, and the light output is phenomenal. Really good, really, really good. I really love the light output. And there it goes, folks. This is the S14 Zenki, of course. I know everybody likes cookie, but I'm a Zenki guy. Make your Zenkis look nice, you know what I'm saying? Are you scared? Yeah, right. Alright. And all we're gonna do here really is I'm gonna unbox our new. You have the harness plug here, the actual LED. Hey, go sit down. Look at that. Wow. 70mm. It's a profile peak multi-lens optic. Really nice. By the theretrofitsource. Theretrofitsource. Morimoto, you know. Good people. Good. This is the box that came in there. And all this is really just the backing stuff. This will go in there. We'll make sure this rubber piece is going towards a housing like this. Let's just pre-install this stuff here. Go sit down. Yes, I'm talking to you. Go sit down. Now. Goes right in there. On the back side, for my housing, I'm gonna be using this one, this fitting. So these two fitting will just be blah blah. Once I put this on, I'll just lock up the nut back there. Bam. Put my my wire connectors into this female end. Bam. And I think, I'm not sure, but I want to say this is a DRL, a daytime running probe, so you can hook it up to have it running while the engine's on, while power is going to it, whatever. But yeah, we'll be back.